Okay, so I got the knife cleaned up. The gun cleaned up really good. I mean, it just, you know. And I got the American hunting series, I think this is, knife. I got it cleaned up really good. The brass looks good now. I still need to sharpen the blade. Stainless USA. I need to get a couple of things out of the Smith and Wesson logo. That's from the Renaissance wax, but cleaned up pretty good. And I need to wipe it down better. The sheath cleaned up really good. I could polish that logo a little bit better, the snap, but it looks good, you know. So tomorrow I'm going to put this gun back together. I was going to nickel it, might still nickel it. Got the nickel solution and the battery pack and all that good stuff, but I've got the parts, the internal parts in here in oil. Some parts I had to replace. Here's the original trigger guard. I might polish that up, I don't know. But yeah, the knife turned out really good. Just need to wash it down, or not wash it down, rub it down, get the Renaissance wax out of the cracks. Well, come on now. There's a little bit in there. But the brass looks way better. Yeah. That's what a little bit of Renaissance wax will do. All right.